The next wave of COVID vaccinations starts tomorrow when parents and caregivers have the chance to start scheduling appointments for kids from 5 to 11 years old. The province's booking website will be open as of 8 a.m. along with regional health units that use their own and, of course, pharmacies.
It's going to be distributed at a certain rate based on some goes to public health units, some goes to primary care, some will go to pharmacies, of course. Pharmacies are going to continue to be great partners with us.
The first shipment of Pfizer's children's COVID vaccine was unloaded from a cargo plane at Hamilton's airport on Sunday night. 1 million doses to be made available to Ontario over the next couple of days. Where kids can get their shots will vary, giving parents the opportunity to potentially make a choice.
We certainly know that parents of younger children, 5 to 7-year-olds, would prefer to have their child vaccinated at their pediatrician's office or primary care, family doctor. But for older children, they're okay if they're vaccinated in pharmacies and mass vaccination clinics as well.
In Toronto, 20,000 vaccination appointments will be made available at 5 different city-run clinics, with times starting on Thursday through until December 5th to start. Last week, the city had listed a number of priority communities for school-based clinics, but at this point, none have been identified.
You've identified neighborhoods. Why don't we have any idea which schools will actually be rolling out these vaccines at this point?
I think we soon will know that information, but obviously, we have a plan in place. We've been working with the school boards to get those schools identified, especially in the neighborhoods, but all across the city, but especially in the neighborhoods that have been designated for expanded treatment, if I can call it that.
Hours at mass vaccination sites in Toronto will be extended into the evening, as will the appointments at schools when those locations are identified.
We know that parents want to be with their child when they're vaccinated, and that's not convenient for parents to come in during the school day if they're working. So we will have more evening appointments and weekend appointments.
Children turning 5 by the end of 2021 are eligible for their first shot.
Well, Health Canada said the shots for kids could be administered 3 weeks apart. Elliott confirmed today that Ontario will be following the advice of NACI, the National Advisory Committee on Immunization, and will follow an 8-week interval instead. Also of note, the widely popular Vaccine Hunters Canada has reactivated its social accounts to start providing information for those in search of locations for children's shots as well.